see the trades, the Forex trades are going rather well. I'm just gonna keep an eye on them. See if we have to make any adjustments in terms of maybe taking some off the table. Uh, so let's just quickly see, it's a euro yen, so it's right here. This is pretty much where we entered. So I can take some off the table because I have two trades on the euro yen. So this one can close. This one can stay open, obviously not jeopardizing the profit of the first trade. And I also have the USD yen trade that I want to keep an eye on. USD Japanese yen captured a pretty good chunk of this move. So it is kind of overextended. It is sitting on the Bollinger Band, so it will be wise to just take some off, and I'm going to just let the rest run. I'm not going to close the full position with a stop loss sitting pretty much at break even. Just wait for or a little bit above break even. So obviously if the price comes all the way back up, then there isn't a point holding if it's going to break above this whole move, because obviously I'm going to see some Fibonacci level sitting right here. So the stop loss sitting above the 61.8, which is considered to be the golden mean. So I'm just going to put the stop loss right above it. The 76, 78.6 should be sitting somewhere around here as well. So basically accounting for the Fibonacci levels as well. So let's just go quickly back onto the indices, see if there's any opportunity yet. Not